Hello friends, today's topic is change of subjects formula. I have this question here. It says if s is equal to ut plus half at squared, then t is equal to. This question requires us to make t the subject of the formula. These are the given options. Now for me to solve this, I'm going to write x is equal to ut plus at squared over 2. This and this are actually the same. Since this is a fraction, I'm going to make this over 1 so that I will look for the LCM of 2 and 1. So I'm going to write x is equal to LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So I'm going to multiply at squared by 1 and that will give me at squared. And I'll multiply 2 by ut. That will give me 2ut. The next thing I'm going to do here is to cross multiply. If I make this over 1, I'm going to cross multiply. So that will give me 1 times at squared plus 2ut will give me at squared plus 2ut. This is u. Now is equal to 2 times x. That is going to give me 2x. This is 2x, not 25. It's 2x. So this is same thing as at squared plus 2ut. So if I move 2x across to the left hand side, it's going to give me minus 2x equal to 0. Okay, now looking at this equation, we're interested in t and the highest power of t is 2. It means this expression, this equation is a quadratic equation. Now I'm going to use quadratic formula to find the value of t. So the quadratic formula is this: t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula, okay? Now it means here in this equation that the quotient of t squared is going to be a, that is a, and that of t, which is 2u, is going to be b. Then this is the quadratic constant minus 2x, that is going to be c. Now, so in this formula, I'm going to substitute a with a and substitute b with 2u, then c with minus 2x. So that is going to give me t will be equal to, so b is now 2u minus 2u plus or minus square root of 2u all squared minus 4 times a, okay, then times minus 2x divided by 2a. Okay, now simplifying this, I'm going to have minus 2x plus minus 2u rather plus or minus square root of 2 squared is going to give me 4. U raised to the power of 2 is u squared. Okay, then minus times plus, minus times minus is plus. This is minus, this is minus, so it's going to give me plus. Then 4 times 2 will give me 8. 8 times s is ax divided by 2a. Okay, now going further, I'm going to simplify this now. So I'm going to write t will be equal to minus 2u plus or minus, okay, square root of, so I'm going to factorize this. I'm going to factorize this because there is 4 here, there's 8 here, and that will give me 4 bracket u squared plus 2ax over 2a. Okay, you know why? Because 4 times u squared is going to give me 4u squared, and 4 times 2 is going to give me 8. Okay, now this is t will be equal to minus 2u plus or minus, okay? So I'm going to look for square root of 4, and that will give me 2. So I'm going to write 2 here. Square root of u squared plus 2ax divided by 2a. All right, so this is t is equal to, so I'm going to still factorize this because there is 2 here, there is 2 here, and I'll have 2 bracket minus u plus or minus, remember 1 is going to the left here because 2 times 1 is going to give me 2, then u squared plus 2ax divided by 2a. All right, so this is going to cancel this and I'll have 1 here. So t will be equal to 1 over a, all right, then pull brackets, minus u plus or minus square root of u squared plus 2ax. All right, so looking at these options, which one corresponds to my answer? Now, minus u plus or minus square root of u squared plus 2as. Okay, the one that corresponds to my answer is B. So B is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow this page for more.